Welcome everyone to our channel, Nature's Cure. Today, we're peeling back the layers on a fruit so common, yet so extraordinary, it's inspired proverbs and grace tables for centuries. We're talking about the humble, yet mighty apple. More than just a simple snack. The apple is a nutritional powerhouse, a culinary chameleon, and a natural remedy, packed with benefits that touch almost every aspect of our well-being. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. It's a phrase we've all heard, but how much truth lies behind this age-old saying? Let's dive deep into the remarkable world of apples and discover why they truly deserve a prime spot in our daily lives. Dietary fiber, especially pectin, a soluble fiber, which is crucial for digestive health. One medium apple provides about 4 to 5 grams of fiber, a significant chunk of your daily needs. Potassium, important for maintaining healthy blood pressure and fluid balance. Antioxidants. And this is where apples truly shine. They're loaded with polyphenols, flavonoids like quercetin, and triterpenoids, which combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. These compounds are predominantly found in the apple skin, so remember, don't peel it off. N. Digestive wellness. The fiber in apples acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. This fosters a healthy gut microbiome, essential for everything from digestion and nutrient absorption to mood regulation and immune function. Regular apple consumption can help prevent constipation and promote regularization. Heart health guardian. Apples are champions for your cardiovascular system. The soluble fiber, pectin, helps lower LDL bad cholesterol levels. The antioxidants, particularly quercetin, have been linked to reduced risk of heart disease by lowering blood pressure and improving blood vessel function. Blood sugar regulation and diabetes management. Despite their natural sugars, apples have a low glycemic index. Their high fiber content slows down sugar absorption, preventing sharp spikes in blood sugar. Studies suggest that regular apple consumption may even reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. 4. Weight management. With their high water and fiber content, apples are incredibly filling. This helps reduce overall calorie intake and can contribute to weight loss and maintenance by promoting satiety and curbing unhealthy cravings. Powerful antioxidant protection. The array of antioxidants in apples actively fights free radicals in your body. This cellular protection can reduce the risk of chronic diseases like certain cancers, and even contribute to healthier aging by protecting your cells from damage. 6. Brain health boost. Emerging research suggests that apples, particularly their quercetin content, may protect brain cells from oxidative damage, potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Immune system. Support. Vitamin C is a well-known immune booster, and apples deliver a good dose. Combined with other antioxidants, they help fortify your body's defenses against illness. Beyond their health benefits, apples are incredibly versatile in the kitchen, offering a delightful range of flavors and textures for every meal. Simply, raw. The easiest and most popular way to enjoy an apple is fresh. A perfect crunchy snack on its own, sliced into salads for a sweet and crisp bite, or paired with cheese or nut butter. Baking delights. From the classic apple pie, tarts, crumbles, and crisps to muffins, cakes, and bread, apples lend their natural sweetness and moisture beautifully to baked goods. Savory creations. Don't limit apples to desserts. They shine. In savory dishes, too. Think pork and apple roast, chicken salads with diced apples, or even alongside roasted vegetables. Sauces and spreads. Homemade applesauce is a nutritious and delicious condiment, perfect for pancakes, yogurt, or as a fat substitute in baking. Apple butter is another concentrated, flavorful treat. Beverages. Fresh apple juice is a popular choice, and of course, fermented apples give us cider and the incredibly popular apple cider vinegar. Composting. Apple cores and peels make excellent additions to your compost pile, returning nutrients to the earth. Variety is the spice of life. Explore different varieties. Granny Smith for tartness in baking, Gala or Fuji for sweet snacking, Honeycrisp for crispness, and so many more, each with unique flavors and textures best suited for different uses. Eat the skin. As we mentioned, a significant amount of the apple's beneficial fiber and antioxidants are in its skin. Always wash your apples thoroughly and enjoy them whole. Organic versus conventional. If concerns about pesticides are high, opt for organic apples, as apples are often on the dirty dozen list. However, even conventional apples, thoroughly washed, offer substantial nutritional benefits. So, the next time you reach for a snack, remember the humble apple. It's not just a fruit, it's a tiny package bursting with flavor, fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, all working in harmony to keep you healthy, inside and out. From boosting your heart health and aiding digestion to supporting your brain and satisfying your sweet tooth, the apple truly lives up to its legendary status. Make apples a regular part of your diet, and you'll be well on your way to a healthier, happier,